Welcome to the Automotive Industry Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. This comprehensive CUFinder report covers the digital performance metrics for dealerships and OEMs across the automotive sector. Mobile captures 68.5% of all automotive traffic. Desktop follows at 28.2% and tablet at 3.3%. Car shoppers research extensively on mobile before visiting dealerships in person. Visitors spend 2 minutes 45 seconds on site, viewing 3.8 pages per session. The average bounce rate is 44.5%, with top 20% performers achieving below 35%. Rich inventory pages with virtual tours reduce bounce significantly. Organic search drives 46% of all traffic globally. Direct traffic is 22%. Paid search is significant at 18%. Social contributes 8%, and referral plus display adds 6%. In the US, paid search jumps to 24%. Google Ads CPC is $2.85, with an impressive 5.8% conversion rate, the highest in the auto sector. Top performers exceed 8.5% CTR. Facebook CPC is $1.15. Search CPA is $46.50. The median conversion rate is 2.6%. Top 25% of performers reach 5.4%. Desktop converts at 3.8%, while mobile is at 1.9%. This gap highlights the complexity of automotive purchases on smaller screens. Service retention over 12 months is 58%. Sales loyalty rate is 32%. Service appointment show rate is 88%. Dealers who invest in post-sale experience see significantly higher lifetime value. TikTok leads engagement at 4.2%. Instagram follows at 1.45%. LinkedIn is 1.1% for B2B and fleet. Facebook trails at 0.35%. Posting 4 to 5 times weekly with 3 TikTok videos delivers peak performance. Email open rate is an exceptional 39.5%. Click-through rate is 1.8%. Unsubscribe rate is 0.2%, and bounce rate is 0.6%. Service reminder and inventory alert emails drive the highest engagement. Key automotive insights. Google Ads convert at 5.8%, the best in auto. Email open rates of 39.5% are among the highest anywhere. TikTok at 4.2% proves video sells cars, and the top 25% convert at over 5%, setting the bar. That wraps up the Automotive Benchmarks 2026. Accelerate your dealership marketing with CUFinder at CUFinder.io.